free car wash. Welcome to another episode of Hot Rodding in Canada. On today's episode, I will be attempting to remove my trunk lid and do some refinements to the hinges that I made the other day. Step 1, I'm going to get some boiling water, pour it over the tarp at the back so I can lift that up, remove the trunk lid, take it into my garage, shut the frickin' door and get warm. It's very, very nice today, but it's really, really cold. But it's not going to get any better, and the car's not going to build itself. Better go on with it. All you really need is an endless supply of coffee, a warm jacket, a pair of gloves. You're good to go. No excuses. So I wouldn't normally put boiling water anywhere near a car, but there's no glass in this. It's just metal and tarpaulin and ice. So I'll give it a shot. Well, that just bonded it on even worse. I need to go and get more water. Round 2. Do it. Right, excuse me, here's the plan. As I say, I'm happy with the shape of these hinges, the angles, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to drill a hole here, a hole here. Can't quite get access to up there, so I may add another little section of metal from here round the corner and another hole in the side. So there'll be two there, one there. These holes, I will elongate the hole on the brackets so that I can slide the whole trunk forward and back. Same on the other side. And I'll drill these holes before I take the tack welds out, so that I know exactly where the holes to go in this and in the trunk. But first of all, I'm going to set the garage door down and get some heat in this place. Oops. And I think the coffee situation's getting a bit low. Oh my goodness, no, that won't do at all. So that needs a refresh. Okay, time to, obviously I need to tidy up as well. Need some space on that bench. Right, time to warm up the garage. Back in a minute. Right, garage is nice and toasty. And I've revised my plan. So I don't need to drill these while they're attached, that's just stupid. I can take these brackets off, drill the holes on the bench drill, and then lay them on top and just mark underneath where they have to go. Duh. So let's get these off first. That step's done. Give them a bit of a clean up. So as you can see, I have marked a couple of dots. So when I drill them and put in the threaded inserts, that will be their normal position, which is actually too far forward, which is fine. Well, it's not too far forward, but the back section here is just hitting against the trunk area. So if I loosen them, I can slide it back, which will push the trunk lid that way, in theory. So I've got that much play, and I've got a little bit of sideways movement as well if I need. So I'm going to give these a bit of a paint, just paint them shiny black for now. And while they're drying, I will get on with the drilling and threaded inserting of the trunk lid. Sometimes cheap tools are good, and sometimes there's only a good place for them. Garbage. So that's not going to work. It's not tightening up, and you know what, I was never happy with these being strong enough anyway, so I'm thinking of a different plan. If I make a studded bracket that I weld on here with the bolts coming up the way rather than putting bolts through that way, and the studs will always be attached to this permanently. If I'm really adventurous, I can try and get a plate in behind there to weld it on to make it a bit more sturdy. Oh bugger, stay tuned. Okay, I finally have a decent plan implemented. So I made these brackets, basically put bolts through the back, welded them on, enlarged these holes, and that'll sit in there nicely. I run a weld all the way around. So this steel is a little bit thicker than that steel, so it should be plenty strong enough. Same on this side. Like so. Then my lovely painted hinges. We'll go on like so. So as you see, I've got that much movement. I've also just realised that I can adjust the tilt of the trunk lid by just putting washers in underneath this a little bit. If I decide the angle's not quite right, can also raise it a little bit. As long as it's not too low, we're good. No, as long as it's not too high, we're good. That's what crowbars are for. So let's get these brackets welded on, and that'll be us pretty much done with this project, thank goodness. Do you like my clever use of these? I never use them for the house anyway, so. Black paint's really good for hiding shitey welding. I don't care, as long as it holds. It's strong and it's ugly. As Rat Rod Bob would say, it's a guerrilla weld. Strong but ugly. Okay, final little test of my hinge. Lovely. Right, it's almost dark out there, so we'll give these another few minutes to dry, and then I'll hopefully fit it on the car. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. Okay folks, place your bets. If this doesn't work, it's going to be some gas and a match, to be honest. Just kidding. Great success. Right. So that's fine. I adjusted that so that it was much further down, but I've got room to take it back a bit. Yeah, I'll take it back a couple of mil and that'll just be dandy. Ah, finally. Oh, I guess I've left something inside. Oh, it's so dark, I can't even admire my work. Yeah? Awesome. Thank God I got something done today. Where does the time go? Okay, I'm off again tomorrow. Tune back in and see what the hell I'm up to then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.